EMC3D 2025, everything you need to know. So firstly, channel content remains as usual. Be posting as much as I can with life. Same content as usual. Why does this look like this? Why does that look like that? All that sort of stuff. The new thing is we're going to be streaming. So every Thursday UK time, which is currently GMT, 7:30 p.m. starting from this Thursday, 7:30 p.m. until 10 p.m. First 2 hours, environment art, lighting, any sort of game dev stuff related to my specialism. The final half hour is dedicated to giving feedback on your work. So if you're a Patreon, by the way, the Patreon is now up and running and kicking off. You get Discord access, you get Patreon-only videos and content and Q&A, but also in the weekly streams, in that final half an hour, any work that you post to the Discord whip, I will give it some feedback and you'll be good to go. So channel, same as usual. Patreon is there. You get benefits from signing up to the member tier and the streams every Thursday as well. That's all I've got to say for now. I'll see you this Thursday in the stream and see you soon.